One of the most widely discussed and trending issues in the United States right now is the political showdown in Texas, which has escalated into a national constitutional crisis. The conflict began when Democratic lawmakers fled the state to block a controversial Republican redistricting bill. The bill is intended to reshape congressional districts in a way that favors Republican candidates, a move Democrats see as blatant gerrymandering. Without the required quorum, the Texas legislature cannot pass the bill, so in a dramatic escalation, Governor Greg Abbott authorized civil arrest warrants for the absent lawmakers, deploying the Texas Rangers to bring them back by force. This extreme action has alarmed many civil rights groups, legal experts, and voters, who argue it undermines democratic principles and sets a dangerous precedent for how dissent is handled in American politics. Nationally, the situation is further complicated by President Donald Trump's involvement and influence. Trump has supported the Texas GOP's efforts while simultaneously engaging in other polarizing actions, such as firing the director of the Bureau of Labor Statistics after the release of unfavorable jobs data. Critics argue this move weakens the independence of government agencies and reflects increasing political interference in data transparency. In addition, Trump has announced new tariffs of up to 50% on imports from countries like India, Brazil, and South Korea, citing economic nationalism. These tariffs are creating concern among business leaders and economists, as they could trigger retaliation and negatively impact global trade and the U.S. economy. Adding to public anxiety, Ford Motor Company has issued a recall of over 312,000 vehicles, including popular models like the F-150 and Expedition, due to a faulty brake booster system. This issue poses a serious safety risk and affects a large number of drivers, with Ford urging owners to get their vehicles repaired immediately through software updates or at dealerships. Meanwhile, social media is buzzing with viral trends and unusual stories, including the approach of a 170-foot-wide asteroid flying close to Earth. Though NASA assures there's no threat, the event has sparked online curiosity and even some panic. On TikTok and Instagram, younger Americans are engaging in recession memes and economic humor, using trends like lipstick sales and low-rise jeans as funny but symbolic signs of a possible downturn. These trends reflect both public anxiety and the creative way Gen Z is processing complex issues like inflation, job uncertainty, and political instability. Altogether, these developments show that the U.S. is facing a multifaceted crisis, combining political tension, economic volatility, safety concerns, and public trust issues. Each of these topics alone would be significant, but happening all at once, they are shaping a turbulent and uncertain atmosphere across the country.